My name is Bilal Lakdawala. I am handling software in Asith Mehta Intermediaries. Uh, I was actually made in charge of checking the OneKey's business intelligence tools. So prior to OneKey, what I'll just give you a brief on prior to OneKey what I was doing. Prior to OneKey, we were firing queries manually in Query Analyzer, then pasting the output in Excel, and thus making formatting it and then presenting to the management. That was a very tedious task we were doing. Actually, it's very time consuming, and thus we have to remember every time management asks for a new report or new format. So again, we have to redesign all the queries, and the formatting has to be redone. After in OneKey, what I found that the same all these tasks can be done in a single shot using the cube feature of OneKey. That was a very good features I have found. Uh, then previously we used to maintain the reports in some spare hard disk and all everything. Now now we can assign a users security features previously we have to mail the report to the users, and there was no security features. Like now we have assigned some logins to the user that can particular user can see one report only, and thus we can implement the security part also. And in OneKey, the beautiful thing what I can see is like the same report can be transported in XML, and it can be taken to the any other source. Like I can also view the reports. The implementation part done was by the partner of the OneKey. That 30 report samples we have given them. So out of them now most of the reports have been completed and implemented also. So I think the users are finding them very satisfactory, just because it is very easy to use and easy to remember the tools also, like drag and drop feature, sorting, filtering, all these features, like the user were finding difficult in earlier, like in Excel they have to cut and paste sort of things. Now this task made simpler by the OneKey tools actually.